when I observe some English learners and some English speakers, they say like I'm not getting confidence and I'm not having the confidence while having the conversation with some other person or even speaking with any other person. I'm stuck in the middle of the conversation and I the words are not getting to my mind. My mind is stuck and struggle to speak fluently in English. They always say like this, and I would call it as a their mistake completely. And why it is a mistake, and if you want to know about it, just try to watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm gonna share how you can feel confident about yourself and while speaking with English with any other person or having a conversation with the person, how you can feel confident about yourself, right? So just try to watch this video till the end. You will get the complete information, and you will get a lot of techniques how you can implement and how you can always be confident at yourself. Okay, the first point that you need to know, if you want to don't feel less confidence and underconfidence while speaking with any other person, just you need to be with a clear mind and not feeling hesitate about speaking English, right? So whenever you be with a full of clarity and without having any confusion in your fluency level and it yourself, then you will try to be always confident, right? So what I mean to say is, just whenever you try to speak with any other person or having a conversation with any other person, just don't be with the confusion and just feel like it's a conversation and nobody conducting any exam for me and for my fluency and my English, right? Because you are not writing any exam and nobody's any giving any rating to your English, right? So in the same way, don't feel hesitate as well while having a conversation, right? Even it is okay even if you make some mistakes in the middle of the conversation, it works out, right? Nobody points out your mistakes and here in this situation you did a mistake and it is not the word that you have to use it at this situation, and nobody say it. Majority of the times they will ignore it and they will avoid it. If you show your confidence in your face, they will feel like okay, he knows everything, he knows English much better and he can speak English very fluent. In fact they will feel like that, right? If you show your confidence in your face, right, in front of others, right? So in this way confidence works out, right? So speaking English fluently, majority of the times even 50% confidence works a lot, right? It plays a majority and main role speaking of fluency, right? If you have enough confidence, it is okay, and they will feel like you are very good at your English. Okay, so just try to be with the confident. Don't never mind about which words you are using, how uh, you are framing a sentence in a conversation, and how you are using words in which rules you are using. Don't mind about it. Just go with the flow and try to always have the confidence and go with the flow. Okay, confidence comes only when you feel I know everything in English and I have enough knowledge in this language. And definitely if you feel like that, confidence automatically will come, right? So it is about feeling and mindset, how you are feeling about yourself and how you are feeling about your level of fluency. If you are feeling like I know everything in English and I have the enough knowledge and I can speak anything and I can speak in English in front of anyone without having mistakes and errors, if you be with that mindset and before speaking with anyone, if you feel like that or if you be with this thing, definitely confidence will show up in your face, right? So just acquire this habit and try to make it as a habit and always think in this way, right? So this is called being with a positive mind, right? So even if you have the lesser knowledge and it's been only a lesser amount of days that you have been speaking English and trying to learn English, it is okay, but being with this clarity and mindset helps you a lot in getting fluency in English. Okay, so just try to have this thing. The third important thing that you need to do, just try to learn more and more new things in English, even if it is about words and vocabulary, grammar, sentence, framing a sentence, and knowing the rules and regulations and the conditions to follow in our English fluency journey. Just try to be always like a optimistic and try to learn new things every single day. So if you keep on trying to put your equal efforts, automatically your progress will goes up, and you will try to see the better results in your English fluency, right? So in this way you have to feel, right? So always be with the learning mindset as well, right? Not only being with the positive mindset, just try to learn new things every single day, even if you are not using all those uh, things which you have learned every single day, but in a longer period of time, those will help you a lot, right? So those things works better. So if we keep doing this without missing the consistency, always we feel proud about it, and uh, we feel 100% confident about ourselves. Why can't I able to speak in English, right? So everybody is speaking English, so in the same way I also have the enough knowledge and enough uh, speaking abilities to speak in English, right? So why it is not impossible to me, and definitely I can speak. So in this way your confidence goes the next level, and you will try to see the fantastic results in your fluency, right? So always try to be with this point and just try to implement all these things which I have explained. So in throughout the video, just try to implement, you will see the better results, and all things will work you very better. So I hope you got all these 3 points, and just try to implement them and in your regular conversation, right? So this is all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking. Okay.